Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the most requested recipe, the homemade protein bars. These are so delicious, sugar free. You can make it in a bulk and freeze it or refrigerate and enjoy whenever you want as a breakfast snack or after workout snack. So let's see how to do this. So line a container with a parchment paper, and here I've taken some roasted nuts, which are peanuts, pistachios, almonds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, pecans, and some cashews. These are all roasted well. In a blender, add oats. I have taken a quick oats here, and some 14 to 15 Medjool dates, seeds removed. And the special ingredients, peanut butter. You can use any nut butter, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax seed powder. You can use chia seeds, and then goes here the cocoa powder. And that's it. That is our base ingredient. Blend it into a smooth paste. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe and click the notification bell next to it for all the new recipes I post. So this looks good to me. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk if your mixture is very dry. So I'm placing this in a parchment paper placed container. Flatten it evenly as much as possible, and then add the nuts as a second layer. So the nuts should stick to the bottom layer or else it comes off easily. So after adding, press gently for them to tuck in the bottom layer. You can use your choice of nuts, just peanuts or almonds or a mixture, less or more. It's completely of your likes and dislikes. The roasted crunchy nuts gives you a different kind of flavor for this protein bars. Here I've taken some peanut chocolate chips. I'm adding some coconut oil and melting these peanut butter chips. You can use completely chocolate chips instead of just peanut butter chips. So I'm going to spread this evenly. And pouring some melted chocolate chips. I have used dark chocolate. You can completely skip, but really the dark chocolate or melted peanut butter gives you a fantastic taste to your protein bars. So I'm going to cover this in a cling wrap and freeze for at least 2 hours. Take it out, cut into pieces, and refrigerator in an airtight box container. Hope you like this video, and please do it. And if you do it, don't forget to share in my Instagram, Facebook, and the detailed recipe as it will be in the description box for the tips and the tricks. Just go and check my description box. Thank you, and see you soon again with a new video. Take care. Bye.